Hello guys. Nice to see you again. Let's install LibreOffice together. Open up Terminal. Type apt get install LibreOffice. Hit enter. Wait a bit. LibreOffice is available for a variety of computing platforms, including Microsoft Windows, MacOS, and Linux, including LibreOffice Viewer for Android, as well as in the form of an online Office suite. It is the default Office suite of most popular Linux distributions. It is the most actively developed free and open-source Office suite, with approximately 50 times the development activity of Apache OpenOffice, the other major descendant of OpenOffice.org. LibreOffice uses the International ISO Standard Open Document File Format, ODF, as its native format to save documents for all of its applications. LibreOffice also supports the file formats of most other major Office suites, including Microsoft Office, through a variety of import-export filters. Great. Let's check it from Application menu. Awesome. And let's run it. Great. See ya.